Hello, this is Sean with ESP, and I wanted to give you an overview of utilizing a digital signing solution like CDP eSign, DocuSign, XSign, Adobe Sign, take your pick, whatever you may be currently using, and show you how that would work with Forza. In this particular case, I'm going to use DocuSign. And DocuSign has a print driver that is free once you sign up with a license. And we use that internally because it's just simple, it's easy, and it works with, again, the Windows print drivers. I'm going to show you that. So again, we're making an assumption that you currently have a license or are considering a license with a eSign company. And as you will know, if you do use these currently, these digital signing solutions, you can take any type of document, upload it into their sign solution, and send that to a member, for example, and have them sign the documents using that solution. Once you get those documents back, you can actually simply upload those into Forza as well. So I'm going to show you that process. So we're going to send a loan document. So here's Forza. I'm in a loan application worksheet. I'm going to generate a loan document. And we're going to do, we'll call this one a consumer TIL. So if I want to come in here and make any manual changes, so the form has been mapped. It has uploaded all the information that it pulls from within Forza. This is a test database, so there's some things that might not be in this one, but we can add anything we want to this, okay? So manual entry. So when we're ready to send this document for signing, all we have to do is click print. And from the printer dropdown, you'll see that in this case, DocuSign has a print driver. We click print. You'll see in the bottom right, it's printing to DocuSign. It is automatically loading into DocuSign. And here's our loan form. Okay, so we're going to come down here. And we need to add recipients because right now we don't have any recipients that are going to be receiving this. So we're going to set signing order. And we're going to do the name, Dan Smith. Add another recipient as a second signer. And if you do @me in DocuSign, it will go to the license owner. And if we want to add a third person that receives maybe the signed documents as your manager, just to see that has been completed, you can also do that. And what you do here, because you don't want this person to sign, in this case, you can come down here and go receive the copy. So after they've been signed, Stan signs first. The CU staff member, in this case, Sean, signs second, and then Steve would receive a copy. Click done. So you'll see now in the top left, we have options. So Stan Smith is selected. We're going to drag, he's going to sign there, he's going to sign there, and we choose Sean, drag the fields over, and then we'll come up here to actions, and we're going to edit the message. We'll do please sign. I'm going to keep this really short. You would certainly want to enter some great content here as you're reaching out to the member, but we're going to leave this really simple here. Okay, so that's the message. We have the recipients, we have the documents, any advanced options, you can go through all of that, but we're ready to go. So we hit send, and it's sending the document. Okay, so now it's sending the document. So we are going to pull up my email. It says, please sign from ESPCU. So you'll notice this is to sales at ESP Solution. You'll notice that me, Sean Murray, has not received the second one because Stan needs to sign first. So I review document. Click start. Stan Smith, it loads the name because I entered it as the credit union staff member. Adopt and sign, hit finish. And no thank you. So it has been signed. So what we will see here is Stan Smith, is going to receive a notification that has been signed, but now Sean Murray, the staff member, the credit union staff member, is receiving the document saying it's ready to be signed. So we continue, start, you can see Stan signed it. Simply click that, we hit finish. We're not going to log in. It has been completed. Now, in this scenario, the third person will have received this. You can see all three. So this one is Sean received these signed documents. You can see here. Stan as well. And then the third person who received a carbon copy also received it. But now let's say we want to save this document into Forza. If we just right click on it, save as, we're going to load this onto the desktop for now. And we can rename this to Stan's loan 45. So now we have Stan's loan, right? So you might want a folder, for example, to put these in initially. But now we're going to go back into Forza and we're going to go to Stan's account. Now, mind you, we're using this as an example, so Stan may not exist, but we're just going to load an account that we want to upload it to. So now we open the member's account. We'll assume this is Stan. We go to Digital Documents, and we're going to add a document. Okay. We click this little 3 tildes, come over here, choose the form, Stan's 0.45 loan. We call it whatever you want. If you have categories set up, if you have loan documents, for example, you can set up a category, but we definitely want to tie it to a specific account. So we want to tie it to the particular loan. Let's say it's the Chevy Impala. If we want to set an expiration date, probably not likely, and we hit save. Now you can see it's red. Stan has signed loan documents right there. It's that easy. You can utilize any e-sign solution to facilitate this. It's quick, simple, and once you have the process down, anybody in the credit union can send documents. And I think you're going to find it is very, very useful. And most certainly as a member of a credit union, I always appreciate it when this type of technology is around for me. Thank you. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-456-5750.